Hey everyone, this is Christopher, and you already know you're on the Christopher Crawford channel on YouTube. I appreciate you watching today, and I hope you all are doing amazing. I know it's been a while, but guess what? I got something for you. I have a double unboxing today for Balenciaga. All right, so we're just gonna jump into it, but before we do, nothing has changed. Please subscribe. Guess what? I hit 100 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. Thank you, 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 so much. So now I can actually secure my name on YouTube. So I think next is to get to 1,000 subscribers. So pray hard, but we're gonna get there, right? Anyway, subscribe, like this video, share it with whoever you come across. Comment below what you would like to see, some feedback on the video. If you like the item, just talk to me in the comment section and click the bell so you're notified every single time a video is posted by me, because I do have more videos coming. Don't know when, but they are coming. I promise, I promise, I promise. You all have been so encouraging. I've been gone, but I've of course been out if you follow me on social media. And several people are like, oh, I've watched your unboxings and things, and that really made me feel so special and loved, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you watching, taking your time, whether you watch the whole thing or some of it, a little bit or all. It doesn't matter. It all means so much to me, so I appreciate it. I'm not going to talk too much. So we have an unboxing of Balenciaga. So I actually got these shoes a few months ago. I have not worn them, but yeah, they're new to you, semi-new to me. I need to bring them out. But they're Balenciaga, and these are the driver sneaker. And they are in white and red, a size 40, which is a size 7 US. So that's what it is. And of course, Balenciaga has switched up their box to now gray. It used to be black and white, which I loved. However, we don't really get it for the box. We get it for the product, right? All right, so when you open the box, again, I've seen these, but it pretty much came like this. You get one dust bag now. Kind of sucks, but we'll take it. Like this, a good quality dust bag, you know. And I'm just gonna bring over the shoe because I know that's what you wanna see. Okay, and this is how they look. So they're white with black and red in it. It has Balenciaga on the side. And yes, I like them. These shoes kind of grew on me. But I actually end up liking them. I might get another pair. They have like a white and lime green pair that I might scoop up. If I don't get those, then I might try the Tyrex ones out, which I'm in between on. But we're talking about these right now, the driver shoes. I love them. I did get a chance to try them on, but I will try them on for you so you can see how they look on me. And they are super duper comfortable. Balenciaga makes the most comfortable shoes for me. You can have Nike and Adidas and Skechers and whoever else, but it's Balenciaga for me. Between Balenciaga and Yeezy, who is Adidas. So yes, these are it. I told you I'm not going to have a long video today. I'm going to show you what I have next. What's next up? Of course, another Balenciaga box, a little bigger. And these are the track sneakers in a red, gray, black, and white. Also in a size 40, which is a US 7. So excited. I love these shoes. So, comes like this, comes with an extra pair of laces, but they're the same kind, which you'll see. So I wish they would have gave like a different color, but I didn't buy them for the laces. I bought them for the shoes. Once again, just one dust bag. That's okay. We'll deal with it. After the pandemic, I'm not complaining over one this day. All right, and they are wrapped up pretty tight and pretty good. Are you ready to see them? Here they are. All right, so they're red, black, a little bit of gray, and some white stripes. And then these are the same laces. They sent 2 of the same type of laces. I think maybe you can double lace them, which I wouldn't do. I would actually maybe kind of want to add some black laces. I might switch the laces out for these, honestly speaking. But I like these. It has the size on the toe. These I could have stood to get like a half size down, which I don't think they had. I think they just had like a 6. I just like a really snug fit. So to me, these fit a little bigger. They're not too big, but I like a snug fit. So I probably would have got the 6, and my feet would have been crunched up in the front. But a 6.5 would have been perfect in these. But I do love these. I'll try them on for you, just for you, because I love you. Anyway, these are comfortable, and I will definitely be getting some more. I already have the all white ones. I don't think I ever worn those. Maybe I should try to grab those. Yeah, I got the all white ones though, and I love them. So adding these to the collection, and I'm so happy to have these. I'll probably get some more. But we'll see. But that's all I have for you right now. I'm starting to get back shopping. I've been doing a lot of shoe shopping because my weight is everywhere. And I haven't really liked a lot of stuff in the stores and online, but I've been doing what I can. But I've really been fascinated with shoes all of a sudden. So we'll see what the future brings. We'll see what the future brings. But until then, this is the end of the video. I will try them on so you can see them on foot. Or I might try to put them on foot like maybe somewhere up in here-ish section. I might get fancy with the editing. We'll see how much time I have. Sorry, that's my air freshener that went off. But I will be back next time. I appreciate all of you for watching. I love you for loving me. Be blessed, be safe, and find peace and happiness in whatever you do. All right, bye.